So I'm here this morning. We're talking about the legal issues. I'm here with Deanne Arthur, and she is an attorney and has good knowledge of what's happening in this case. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You got up just for this.
I did. You're very special.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much. So you've been keeping track of this. First of all, Donald Sterling gives it to his wife. A lot of people are saying this is just a shell game. Donald Sterling's still going to be in control.
We would hope that Donald Sterling is trying to further the NBA's interest, but I don't know if that's possible. He was really putting up a fight. Now him trying to say that he's going to transfer controlling interest to Shelley, the NBA still has to approve a non-controlling owner becoming a controlling owner. In this case, it could be Don Sterling still just trying to come in the back door, which the NBA is not going to stand for. You have players, you have fans that are going to boycott. This will still not be good for the NBA if any Sterling name is still on the team. Shelley might be kind of claiming innocence in this, but she was married to the man for decades. There's no way that she doesn't have some kind of interests that are common with Don Sterling's. This could just also be another move for him that he is setting up. We know that he has hired an antitrust lawyer. Antitrust laws govern fair business practices. He could be saying that the NBA is not dealing fairly with him in negotiation of the sale of the team. He could say that they're trying to cherry pick a new owner. He could be setting up Shelley to say, hey, I tried to give you guys another owner that would be good, and if they deny that, that could set up his lawsuit. Now, the lawsuit is an uphill battle, but it could take years for him to lose, tying up the NBA.
Right, so now Shelley has control, I guess, of the team, and she wants to sell it, and this thing could be worth $1 billion or more.
Yes, now that's true. They're going to run into tax issues. So I know that that's another thing that Don Sterling is looking at. This is not something that he is taking lightly. Him giving Shelley interest, he is thinking about all things. He's thinking about the money coming in. He's thinking about the taxes. He's thinking about his way to be able to stay involved in the team. But he's not going to be able to do that with the NBA not having some say.
And the interesting thing is what is the relationship with him and his wife? We keep saying estranged, but they have been seen together, and they are still very close. Yeah, if nothing else, business partners.
Yeah, even if they're business partners, they are married. She still is Donald Sterling's wife, whether they are estranged or not. You can be separated, you can live in separate homes, but for legal purposes, being married, they still are under the laws of a married couple.
Yeah. Now, Sterling, if he tries to drag this out, which some people are predicting he is, I mean, this could just decimate that team, number one, and really shake things up in the NBA. There could be protests, there could be boycotts, and there likely will.
We would hope that that wouldn't happen. We would hope that Don Sterling would think about the NBA, would think about the team, the organization that he had been involved in for so long, but it doesn't sound like it. He's really kind of thrown his fist in the air and vowed to put up a fight.
Yeah, this could be a hostile takeover.
Really, it really can.
Yeah, seriously. All right, well, Deanne, thank you so much for getting up on this Memorial Day. You're free to go home and nap.
Anytime.
Right now. Thank you, Deanne. We appreciate it.
Thanks.
Okay, a lot going on here today.